right, so I just got this, and I do believe it is a planter, and it's a bee one, I think. Okay, so now we can get it open. All right, so that we open it up, and it comes with a nice thank you note. And I think there's a bunch of stuff in here. Let's see. These are all the different things that you can get. Check it out. Very cool. So if you're into planting plants, bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, so let's fold this out. Put that over there. Let's see what we got. Ooh, look at this guy. Wow. What do you guys think? It's beautiful, huh? Now we just got to put a plant in it. All right, let's check it. Let's go ahead and put some plants in here. So check it out, look. Ta-da! There she is, our little bee plant. And I think that looks fantastic, don't you guys? It works perfectly. Maybe I'll turn it a little bit so I have these little bees in front. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.